Hi all, hope you're doing okay. As you can see, I'm not on the boat. I'm actually at home. I've been very busy with work last couple of weeks. Couple that with a really bad timing of the chip shortage for new cars, and I'm actually stuck without a car at the moment. So even getting to the boat is difficult. SJ is actually out of the water as well at the moment. She's just had her outdrive serviced and some new Seacocks fitted. I've not done it. I've basically not had time to even look at the outdrives, let alone consider stripping them and doing them myself. So I had to get the local Hull Marina engineer guy to have a look at it, but he's gone over them both, repaired them, put new anodes on and everything. The port side leg did have some emulsified oil, so it did have a water leak, so we put all new seals and everything in the drive, which will hopefully resolve that. The props look okay. We've just given them a quick tidy up. They weren't bad enough to need a full repair, but yeah, just had a quick file around the edges just to take some of the sharp bits off where it's clipped little bits and pieces in the mud and everything as we've been going along. But for the most part, there's no major issues. So yeah, so the next thing for me really when she's back in the water and I get time obviously is engine service now. Oil, tappets, reset, all filters and belts. So yeah, so I've just got to order those bits and I'll be doing that, and that'll probably be the next major or big video, should I say, that I'll be doing for you all. Because yeah, I've had 3 weeks where I've just not been able to get down to the boat or do anything and whatnot. So I do apologise for the lack of interesting stuff over the past few weeks. It will improve, and over the Christmas period, once I actually have a couple of days off from work, not only have I got a list of jobs that I need to and want to be doing, but I'm really hoping to get out, because as it turns out, certainly if you're a boater you'll be aware of this, some of the best days are actually in the middle of winter, where you get the flattest, calmest seas and the stillest winds and clearest blue skies. Yes, it's freezing cold, but it's, apart from it being freezing, it's actually perfect. In summer you get more average days, less perfect days. In winter you get more perfect days and less average days. So you may only get 3 times to use the boat over winter, for example, but there will be absolutely glorious days. And unlike some people, I don't take the boat out of the water for winter. I don't winterize it. I want to keep using it. I don't like the idea of having something sat there that I can't use or don't use for 6 months. It's just like, well, what's the point in having it if you don't use it? So yeah, big winter coats out, and we will definitely be going out over winter, and hopefully we'll get some nice videos for you all for that as well. But yeah, just wanted to give you an update and apologise, and yeah, normal service will resume as quickly as I can. So until then, stay safe everyone, and I'll see you all later. Take care. Bye bye.